The atmosphere is mainly divided into layers A2, B6, C7, D5. The correct answer is 5. According to ISA atmospheric model, what is the value of datum atmospheric temperature? A 273 K, B 277 K, C 288.15 K, D 288.15 C. The correct answer is 288.15 K. AFM stands for A. Authority of Flight Manual, B. Aircraft Flight Manual, C. Aircraft Flight Management, D. Authority of Flight Management. The correct answer is Aircraft Flight Manual. AIAA stands for A. Australian Institute of Aeronautics and Astronautics, B. Alberta Institute of Aeronautics and Astronautics, C. Andaman Institute of Aeronautics and Astronautics, D. American Institute of Aeronautics and Astronautics. The correct answer is American Institute of Aeronautics and Astronautics. APMS stands for A. Aviation Performance Measurement System, B. Aviation Performance Measuring System, C. Aircraft Performance Measuring System, D. Aircraft Performance Measurement System. The correct answer is Aviation Performance Measuring System. The range of temperature in mesosphere is A. below 130 K, B. below 140 K, C. below 110 K, D. below 120 K. The correct answer is below 130 K. FAA stands for A. Fundamental Aviation Administration, B. Federal Aircraft Administration, C. Federal Aviation Administration, D. Fundamental Aircraft Administration. The correct answer is Federal Aviation Administration. PO8 stands for A. Pilot S Operational Handbook, B. Pilot S Operating Handbook, C. Performance Operating Handbook, D. Performance Operational Handbook. The correct answer is Pilot S Operating Handbook.